Ayan guys. Sarap magluto oh. Yan oh, ito, sarap ng buhay oh. Ako luluto guys, mga ngamoy. Ito, kain lang. Kain lang. Hi babe, what are you eating?
It's Anthony's omelet. It's really
Famous omelette. It's like, what's inside babe?
good. I think this is tortilla
Oh.
omelet.
Hi guys, good evening.
Mushroom, tomato.
Ayan, mushroom, tomato. She loves eggs. Which is good for you guys, diba? For protein. Yan guys, so today, well, actually tonight, we went to the marketplace. We're here in Baguio actually now, in Andrea's place. And I decided to cook. Kasi sarap magluto guys, outdoor sa Baguio, just because malamig. So, we bought some oyster mushrooms. Just simply cooked it in the pan, high heat, and some veggies, you know.
Is what do you call this?
How do you call it,
No,
babe?
I want you.
Bok choy? How do you call it?
Bok choy.
Bok choy, guys. Bok choy. So, bok choy. Bagay na bagay with the meat later. So, sinusuvi na yun yung meat. Actually, pakita ko sa inyo. It's the cousin of Andrea, si Paolo. He has a sous vide machine. And we're sous videing yung lamb. So, we have Wagyu later. Ito yung sinusuvi natin. Yung lamb chops with rosemary. Yan. So, yun yung temp. So, even if it's frozen from the supermarket, pwede may sous vide to cook it in the right temp. Then high heat grill natin sa labas to get that nice finishing color on our lamb, diba? Yun lang guys. So, of course, rosemary. I bought some butter for later. We use some butter here. For the mushrooms, ito yung bagay with the lamb and the beef. Then Andrea got some pork sausages from Smokehouse here in Baguio, guys. So we're gonna try it now. Later, we'll let you know kung masarap because it's the first time we're gonna try their products, right?
Yeah.
Yung smoked sausages, pork sausages, and their smoked meat. Tignan natin yung pork meat nila kung masarap. Kung masarap, guys, I'll let you know at the end of this video kung okay siya. If it's worth it. Kasi hindi naman siya mahal. So let's try it out and see if it's really good. Yan guys, so we're just here. Later, we're gonna cook some marshmallow dito, guys. Or sa labas, bahala na. Ang ganda ng view. Yan guys, I'll show you the view, guys. So this house was built in the 50s, no? Or 50s, guys. Ayan, picture, ayan. Ito yung picture ng bahay na yan, guys. If you see, it's on a cliff. Ayan o. Naka-elevate tayo. So that's why I want to show you the view kasi this is kind of accurate talaga. Yan. So this is the view. Wow, right? Look at the lanay. Medyo madilim na yun. Apologies, but look at the view. So if you look here, yan guys, that is SM Baguio. Ayan o. O, diba? Ang taas natin. Yan. So you can see the beautiful city lights of Baguio City. So sometimes we go here, but we don't stay here, guys. We stay at the Baguio Country Club, but we go here kapag marami kami. We play some poker or we just eat. Some people, they drink. We just like to cook here. Yun. It's a nice place to chill with Andrea's family and her relatives. Yan guys, so this is a nice chill place. So it's nice that they preserve this house. It's almost 80 years with them. Diba? Grabe. Galing. And siguro that's what I miss about my house in Alabang kasi, you know, it's a house that we had for 40 years. and we sold it. But maybe we'll get it back. You never know. Because it's still there, guys. Maybe in another vlog, I'll vlog it for you. It's still untouched. Nandun pa rin yung structure. Hindi pa binebenta yung bahay. So, maybe. You never know. We might get it back. So yun, guys. So this is Baguio. And later we're gonna cook some meats. And I'll see you in a bit. The fire, guys, sa labas. Yan. Wow, ganda. Oh. Look at that. So we're gonna grill here. Got the seats set up na. Wow, ganda. So walang charcoal. We use natural wood. Of course, we're in Baguio. So we're gonna use this grill. That's where we're gonna grill our lamb. And guys, nice area lang. Chill lang. Sarap magluto ng marshmallow. The weather is perfect, guys. Not too cold, but perfect lang. Ayan. Diba? Ayan lang. Diba? That's what I love about Baguio. It's like 4.5 hour drive from Manila, and you could have really nice weather. You're surrounded by nature, you're surrounded by pine trees, and then of course the weather, diba? And you can cook outdoor. Kasi sa Manila, pag nag-cook ka ng outdoor, pawis na tayo, diba? Pero dito, diba? We can do that. Yan. Yan, guys. So I did another vlog about this car, so abangan nyo about the Audi A3. First time ko dinala to sa Baguio. And yeah, let's go inside. And later, let's start cooking. Nice. So it's nice and soft na. So, how long did it take, Pao?
Super quick.
Like what? Like 10 minutes? Less, right?
Less. Here, feel it. That way you can get an idea.
Oh, no, yeah, it's nice and tender na. So it's like a quick way of defrosting at the same time,
Right.
making it sure that it won't overcook.
And then you can only, if you want, you can keep it there
Yeah.
in the freezer.
Yeah. For the next day or for the next week.
Or
Yeah.
cook it right already in sous. Make the
Yeah.
temperature,
Like all the way through. Wow. Thanks, Pao.
And then just-
Did you say? Guys, no. What
You're
did you
the
say?
best chef.
No.
And you cook lamb perfectly.
No. She said she wanted to continue me cooking in the sous vide para perfect. Sabi ko, hindi na. I'll cook it na lang in the grill. Kasi baka ma-overcook ko daw, guys. Eh. Walang tiwala sa cooking. Oh. No, but yeah. She likes it kasi medium rare. Ako, I like it medium. Sometimes nga, I like it going to well done eh. No, not tough. Kasi sometimes kasi I like yung parang, you know, that the crispy bits of the fat. So talagang,
Yes.
yeah, but what I mean is, if it's not too high in heat, then you're gonna have to leave it longer, diba? So ma-overcook talaga yung meat.
Okay. Well, we'll see you later.
Later guys, tingnan natin kung mabibilib to sa akin. Kasi I don't cook naman all the time, guys. But I do miss cooking, to be honest with you. Kasi in the condo, we don't cook talaga.
Yeah, but you're masipag to cook.
But I like cooking if the opportunity comes, diba? If pwede, I'll cook. But kung hindi, then
Here it is.
yeah, sarap yan. Veggies, guys.
It's
Oh.
good. It's very good.
Perfect with the lamb and the meat. Diba?
Yeah.
Pang ano lang, pang counter ng all the, you know, all
good.
the protein that we're gonna consume. And of course, as we all know, rosemary and lamb are the perfect marriage talaga. So, I'll see you in a bit.
See you. Okay. Thank you.
So, menu for today, bok choy,
Bok choy.
oyster mushroom,
Bok choy yan ng Anthony.
lamb, chops with rosemary. Ito, tingnan natin kung masarap kasi Wagyu daw, pero tingnan natin.
What's that? Wagyu.
Wagyu strips, parang beef strip.
Looks like fat strips.
But Wagyu is fatty anyways.
There, full of fats.
Mas Anthony naghanda ng ating charcoal.
Hi.
Baka may gusto ko shoutout, Anthony. Yeah.
Hi, fans.
Hi fans. Yun. Ganda oh. Sarap magluto. Ay, kanina earlier I said, it's nice to cook sa Baguio kasi malamig. Outdoor. Kasi sa Manila, pawis na pawis ka na sa labas. Yeah, ganda.
I can intensify it.
That is so cool, oh, guys. Oh, tingnan mo.
I can.
63% charge, 3 hours pa, and warm light. And we have our smoked house
Sausage.
pork sausage.
And
guys,
the smoked
the
pork
meat.
belly yata.
Oh my God, we have so much food. Ito na naman. Okay lang. Galing, no, babe? You could even adjust the warmth of the light.
And the intensity.
Yung intensity also. Galing.
Like if I bring it down the same, if I bring it down to 35%,
Yeah.
it's 10 hours. Like this is 10 hours right now.
By the way, Pao, this is Paolo, cousin of Andrea. Andrea, introduce your cousin.
This is my amazing cousin, Paul.
But you've seen Paolo in the vlog, guys, in Mountain Man. Actually, Baguio Mountain Man, they reposted it, right? Recently on my Instagram, guys. So you can see that video. So if you want to try the Baguio Mountain Man,
Yes.
then you could check
It's,
their...
it's recommended.
Yes.
Very good.
Cordilleran
experience.
cuisine. Yeah, it's an
It's an
experience.
experience you can't miss.
Paolo, how many times have you tried Baguio Mountain Man? It's your fourth time, right? So it's his fourth time.
Hold the record.
Us, it's our second time.
I'm gonna get one for March if you want.
That makes it fun.
Fifth time.
Again,
There it
March.
is.
Wow.
Okay.
That's nice.
A friend of mine.
Bagay ka there, babe.
Ayan, guys. Sarap magluto, oh. Yan, oh, ito. Sarap ng buhay, oh. Ako, luluto, guys. Mangangamoy. Ito, kain lang. Kain lang. But it's nice, guys. I'm gonna cook for Paolo and Andrea and Anthony and his wife. So, dito tayo. Parang Christmas yun. Oh, may Christmas lights pa. So we're trying the beef muna, guys, and the sausages. Yan. How's it good? Smoky.
Smoky.
Okay.
Moist but still tart.
Yeah.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Oh my god. No, no.
Hey guys, so we're back here in Manila. It was a long drive back to Manila kasi we had to take a detour to Subic pa. So from Baguio to Subic to Manila. But it was fun because we got to spend time with Andrea's friends. We went to the Baguio Mountain Man for the second time, guys. So check their Instagram page. Chef Xavi and his wife Millie were kind enough to basically cook for us again and experience the cuisine of Baguio, and we really enjoyed it. Besides the experience with the food, it's more of the company that we really enjoy with them. Then of course we got to hang out with Andrea's cousin, si Paolo. It's always nice hanging out with Paolo. Sometimes he lives in Baguio, sometimes in Subic, but every time we're in Baguio, we make it a point to visit him. Then I cook just a few dishes, guys, as you could see. Ang ganda kasi in Baguio, sarap magluto sa labas kasi it's nice and cold. So we use natural wood for our cooking, and that was fun. Really, it was fun to really cook and enjoy. Yun lang. Enjoy lang. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy the people that we're with. And that's what's important naman talaga. Especially when we go on vacation or short road trips. It's really the people that we surround ourselves with, diba? Yun guys, so that's the vlog. I hope you liked it. I'm quite tired. We were there for like 4 nights. Yeah, 4 nights, and it's been fun. So I'm just here in the parking actually, because I'm about to go to a meeting. So this is the next day na guys actually. And I'm about to go to a meeting. And ganun lang yun, diba? Back to normal life in Manila. But I'll try to vlog as much as I can. It's been quite busy with me and Andrea, so we've been doing a lot of stuff, so hindi kami makapag-vlog. But soon guys, we're gonna go out of the country and I'm gonna vlog for you guys kasi it's me and Andrea's first time to be in this country. So vlog ko yan para sa inyo. So take care guys, and God bless, and always keep safe. Bye.